The TSVISIONCORE COMTA 2 tactical headset delivers reliable hearing protection by cutting down harsh gunfire and explosion noise while keeping situational awareness intact. Its built-in sound amplification makes quiet audio cues like footsteps and gear movement easier to pick up, which is especially useful in airsoft and hunting scenarios. The headset integrates smoothly with the included U94 push-to-talk unit using a 2-pin connection, giving clear communication with popular radios during outdoor activities. Rotating rail-mounted ear cups allow flexible adjustment around the ears and head, so the seal stays consistent and the noise reduction remains effective even during rapid movement. Soft silicone ear cups wrapped in thin thermoplastic polyurethane leather distribute pressure gently, making the headset comfortable to wear through long training days or extended games. The package includes a cloth storage bag, spare parts, extra battery covers, and a clear manual, so users can maintain and transport the headset without needing additional accessories.